nigga like me, man, I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of them ball playing niggas, you know, a Bird, Magic or something. Yeah, you know a nigga got dough. A nigga could leave the league. But if I leave, the fans still gonna love me, man.
I developed T-Rex when I'm gripping this tech. I got money on me, Nike on me, 2 type of checks. I got dirty money, legal money, 2 type of checks. But trying to check us made and then put 10 in his chest. It was see a op, whack a op back then, now I'm humble.
What time it is?
It's GLAMMA time.
What time it is?
It's GLAMMA time.
Hey, 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 hey. DJ, what you got to say?
To the G, to the L, to the A, to the M, A.
Hey, what time it is?
It's GLAMMA time.
What time it is?
It's GLAMMA time.
What time it is?
It's GLAMMA time.
DJ, what you got to say?
To the G, to the L, to the A, M, A.
Hi, welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. So yeah, my grandbaby wanted to do my intro today, and I let him. He did pretty well. So today I am working out the new Tarte Pro Remix. I know it's still new. I know it's been here for several months. I had it for a minute, and so I decided to go ahead and do a tutorial on it. I got my NYX on, and I actually set it with this mixed media color right here. Also did color correcting. My eyebrows is done and all that. So let's go into this palette. You know, I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star brush, like always, to build my crease up. And let's see. Well Art. And that is this color.
Chopper die, powder no cloud, and so them had need pair of shoes. Chopper be rushing, that bitch came from Russia, so you better get low when you in my view.
This is brush, and I'm going to go into this color explosion. I'm going to put that in my crease and also my inner V. I'm going to take this outside the lines. That's this golden yellow color here. I'm going to go into Mash Up. Let's take a little bit of this Artist, this blue right here, and put that on inner V. So now I'm going to do my other makeup, and I will come back. This is the finished look of the Tarte. Hey you guys, this is the finished look. This is the eye look that I got from using the Tarte Pro Mix Remix palette. And I do like it's colorful, it's fun, you know. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Hit the bell to let you know when I upload videos. And most important, hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So if there's a product that you want GLAMMA to do a tutorial on, make sure you hit me up. So until I see you guys again, no grandma, GLAMMA.